Good morning everyone and welcome back to Small Fabulous Home Channel. Whoa, this much fog I haven't seen in a long time, so it kind of matches the day. So today is Saturday and it's the 31st of October, and yes, say hello to Halloween. Even if Halloween isn't celebrated that much in my country, it's more like a commercial thing. The stores do have so many things you can buy to creep in the Halloween spirit. To make it a bit more special, remember this tray? I used it so many times in my decorations. This time I will be using it in the kitchen for a special fall morning. Adding the orange napkins to fit the Halloween color palette. And the goodies. There are some things that I associate with autumn. The colors, the smell, the taste, the decorations, the owls. I love coffee. I love the smell of it, I love the taste of it, everything. But lately I have been drinking too much. Well, because we've been spending so much time at home. So I'm combining my favorite cappuccino with this velvet Nescafe. And I also got this cappuccino Baileys. To be honest, it actually tastes so good. You can feel the Baileys in it. Oh, hello there, cutie. My cat just stopped by to say hello. I'm starting to like this feeling, this autumn vibes. Let's try to keep it all day long. I also need something for breakfast, but instead of a croissant, I will go with the pumpkin strudel today. Yes, I know what you're going to say, but it's frozen, you didn't do anything. Well, this morning I was way too lazy to start baking anything, so I had to find something else that would work. Oh, the smell of pumpkin strudel. Can it get any more autumny? Time for decor update! I wanted a foresty feel, so I got this kind of dry moss. Sadly, it also leaves a lot of mess behind. Oh well. So I have these two, and this one I already used it with a candle that smells of caramel chocolate. Just got the ceramic mushrooms that fit perfectly in this basket. These round wood decor, love how they come in different sizes, they look very nice. Adding in some pine cones to add more effect. I played quite a lot with these. I kept changing them so many times. I eventually had to say enough is enough. It's good how it looks, don't touch it. Some mini pumpkins that I found in a grocery store. They look so good, but sadly I only had them for a few days, but they got rotten, so I won't be keeping them for a long time. This green one seems to outlive them. I don't really like to invest in Halloween decor because I feel like it's a waste. I only have it for like a day or two maximum, so I prefer spending the money on autumn inspired decorations instead. And of course that I had to add some stuff that are typical Halloween props. They look very simple and yet so cute. I like the happy version of Halloween, as in Casper the Friendly Ghost, not the horror movies. I like this vase, it has this ashy kind of bottom. It looks perfect for Halloween. Adding this dark brown candle, quite large but still think it's good. Moving on to the next arrangement. Love this black sand, it's perfect for the theme. Also will be using my largest glass bowl. These LED candles, oh how I love them. They have a timer so the candle lights up every day at the hour that it was first lit. After 8 hours the candle will turn off on its own. And I have, well, had a ceramic pumpkin that I just broke. So sad, but still it seems I could use this. It would look like a graveyard of pumpkins. Found some dark shade potpourri. Love how they look so different, so interesting compared with what I had before. And also come in different shapes. They will look so good in the arrangement. Seems to come to life. I also really wanted these roses. They are so Morticia Adams. I had to bend them here so they could fit perfectly in the back. Natural chestnuts and acorns that I have from the park. Listening to the calm videos from Alt and Cozy. I absolutely love their channel. I will leave their link in the description box. And I also have my own Halloween playlist. Perfect for the ambience. Well, it's a bit less foggy. How about I reuse this morning's tray and all of these acorns and chestnuts for a bit more foresty feeling? Am I the only one that thinks of Scrat from Ice Age each time they see acorns? I will add these pieces of rope to the tray so it will look a bit more interesting, a bit more Halloween. This looks good! The final reveal of the decor. I always have lanterns and during Halloween it's even better. Added some artificial leaves and they are simply full of effect. And my mini pumpkins and mushroom decor. Of course, another video from Alt and Cozy is playing. Love them. The simple natural tray. Because we cannot have a fireplace, I always looked for like a workaround, and this looks so cozy. Also added some cotton flowers as they seem to fit perfectly with the rest of the decor. My happy Halloween smiley faces, how cute! And here it is, the Dead Pumpkin Cemetery. Ooh. Hope my decor inspired you. Leave me a comment or follow me on Instagram for even more ideas. And of course it's gonna be movie night. So here's our supply. Caramel popcorn, the only things that say Halloween on them, and they are spicy Krispies and the orange soft cake. As I was saying, not that many things in my country, but these are absolutely delicious. Comfy in bed, food supplies are here, lights off, and this is the magic. This is how my decor looks in the dark. It looks so good, so happy how it all turned out. We will be diving into our movie time. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and have a great Halloween. See ya!